With DB2 tools, you can access data on your iSeries server easily and quickly, in addition to being able to execute SQL commands that allow you to obtain a result as a non-query command to perform CRUD, create, update, delete on data and files. In this example, we're going to execute a select that allows us to display all the physical and logical files in the Roberto library and subsequently export this information that will appear in the grid to an Excel file. Which appears in the grid will be exported and saved to an Excel file, where we will obtain this information directly on the PC so that it can be reviewed in detail. This has been possible by executing an SQL command on the iSeries server. If we execute the SQL command and paste our transaction, we see the result in our connection on the 5250 emulator. Formats for create, update, delete, and select. For this, it will only be necessary to change the library and file parameters to be affected by the transact SQL to be executed. couple of commands to visualize the performance of the ASP consumption versus limit of the iSeries, as well as a format to examine history log messages since the previous IPL and determine whether the next IPL will be abnormal or normal, as well as to be able to see all the spooled files of all users, and thus be able to instruct users to clear their output queues and keep the iSeries server storage healthy. Important part of this tool is the conversion of spool files into PDF files and later into Excel files. This generates a lot of flexibility, since in many occasions there are applications that generate a large number of reports that can only be printed, and end users need them to complement the information of their area in manageable formats on PC. This is where the tool will allow you to convert your spool files into PDF format and leave them in an IFS folder on the iSeries or Power server, and then save it on your PC. Also, after converting your spool into PDF, you can convert it to an Excel file.
In order to convert a spool file to PDF format, the tool is responsible for showing the list of all the spools in the system. To choose one, before choosing it will be necessary to enter with the FTP credentials to the IFS integrated file system of the iSeries, so it will be necessary to press the FTP iSeries connection button. It will use the same connection credentials of the iSeries. If they are different, you have to change them in the left part of the ribbon so that it can access, and in this way it shows us all the objects that IFS has to leave the conversion of our spool already in PDF format. After converting a spool to PDF, if we double click on it, it will show us the PDF and we can save it on our PC, and if we select a PDF we can convert it to an Excel and save it on our PC. See how to do it. This tool is developed using C#.NET with .NET Core and through ODBC connection to the iSeries server. In the video description I will leave the link where it can be downloaded for use. It is a free tool. If you have any comments, you can send them to my email, roberto.bonilla2007@gmail.com. Thanks for watching the video.